Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $2984.7. Okay, from 3 days there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Okay, because of the tariff, what we have seen, the price went suddenly spiked, okay, to a level of 3169, and from there we have seen there is a continuous downfall coming from 3 weeks, because at this level a profit booking we have seen. Okay, and what we have seen in the crude price also, the similar thing, that the demand, there is import and export differences. Okay, when there is import and export differences or disruption in the supply, okay, because of that the oil price also decreased, and from here what we have seen that it spiked upside, because this is a safe haven. Prior, what we have seen that after making a new high, always we have seen there is a downfall has come. Okay, and again because of the tariff also we have seen there is see the price now form a swing at a level of 2971, and then we have seen, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move further low towards a level of around 2969, and from there a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2957. And if that sustain, then if that is sustained, so we can see a bounce back can come, and then the similar pattern towards an upside of around 2988 we can see, and from there a level of 3000, and then a further high. Okay, but if started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2943 to a level of 2930, and then a further low. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. If dollar index, what we can see dollar index trying to go upside after making a low of around 101.25 $1, it has formed a swing, and now from 2 days there is continuously upside. If it sustain this particular level, we can see it will go towards 104, and if that sustain, we will see it will cross a level of 104.6. okay, and that level is already weak, so chances are high the price will go further upside, and it will touch a level of 105.4, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards 105.7. okay, and once the price moving up that particular level, chance of touching 106.1 we can see, and then a further upside we can see. Okay, so but if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards 103.1, and from there a further downfall towards 102.2, and if the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 101.5 we can see, and from there it will fall below 101.2, and then a further downfall we can see. Remember, when the dollar index started going upside, we can see the price of gold, silver, crude and natural gas will come down. Okay, and if the gold price goes down, we will see the price of gold, silver, crude and natural gas goes up. Okay, what happens sometimes that they both move in some direction, same direction, so in that case, or otherwise also, you have to put your SL so your capital will be safe, and trail your SL so your profit will be safe. These two things you have to do. Now coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, there is a higher chances that it can go further. Price moving over this level, it can touch a level $2,999, and once started going above this level, probability of touch, started sustaining above a level of $30.04, probability of going further upside we can see, and then it will go towards 30.31. Okay, and this 30.31 is already being weak, so chances are high the price will go further upside towards 30.36, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards a level of around 30.37 to a level of around 30.45. Suppose if the price sustaining above that level, we can see a level of 30.52. okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards $30.60. okay, and if the price moving over that particular level, 30.60 is already being tested, a good resistance, so chances are high the price will go towards $30.86, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards a level of around 3124. But suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see a level of around 30.07, and from there a further upside, and then we can see a level of $30.40, which is already weak, so chances are high the price can go further upside, and 87, and once started sustaining up this level, we can see it will cross a level of $31.27, and then a further upside we can see towards a level of $31.38, and then further high